Hi guys, Teacher Jen here, and we are going to read one of the pages out of the book, What Makes It Rain? There's lots of flaps, so there's lots of things to read. What makes it rain? Little drops of water in clouds. When they get heavier, they fall as raindrops. Is it going to rain today? Are the clouds dark and heavy with water? Then yes, it's likely to rain. What's it like inside a cloud? It's like being in thick fog. You can hardly see a thing. Why are these flowers drooping? Because it hasn't rained for a while. Plants need water from rain to live and grow. How big is a raindrop? Up to this big. This size is more usual. So they can get that big or they can be that little. Let's see what's under this picture. She put her umbrella up. Do you use an umbrella in the rain? She's got her umbrella. How does water get into the sky? On warm days, water in puddles, lakes, and seas heats up and drifts into the sky above. This is called evaporation. The water will fall again as rain one day. That is one of the pages out of What Makes It Rain? I wonder when it will rain next.